So today we will discuss Heron's formula. This Heron's formula is actually used for to find the area of the triangle. Sometime, as you know that area of triangle that you have already used half of base into height. Okay, suppose this type of triangle is there. This is base and this is the height, and right angle triangle is there. In that you can also, this is base and this is the perpendicular, that is also height. So half of base into height is area of triangle. But sometimes, as you know that there are three type of triangles are there. In this we will discuss area and perimeter both. And we are taking the first, we are taking the case of equilateral triangle. In which you can see that all the three sides are equal. So perimeter is 3a, 3 into side. Okay, and suppose we are taking the case of scalene triangle. In which all the three sides are of different measurement. Suppose A, B, C, or the three sides are of different measurement. And here also you can see that perimeter is sum of all sides. And S means semi-perimeter. That means A plus B plus C upon 2. Half of the perimeter is called semi-perimeter, and for that we can use the area of the triangle. You can see that here is no base. We can say base A can be there, B can be there, C can be there, but height is not there, perpendicular is not there. So we have to use Heron formula for that, and that formula is S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C, and square root of that. With this formula you can find out the area by Heron formula. Same you can use here also. Semi-perimeter is 3a by 2. And if you apply area of triangle by Heron formula, you can see that 3a by 2, 3a by 2 minus a, 3 times. Here A, all the three sides are of same measurement. So you can see that 3a by 2, and this will become a by 2 if you take 2 as LCM. 3a minus 2a by 2 is a by 2. This is also a by 2. This is also a by 2. Okay. So you can see that if you do prime factorization, 1, 2, 1, 3a means the root 3 upon 4, a 4 times. As you have done in previous classes by prime factorization, square root this will be a square. So you can also write, use this formula, root 3 by 4 into side square is the formula of area of equilateral triangle. Side is given. If suppose the 4 centimeter, so root 3 by 4 into 4 into 4, you can use the equilateral triangle is there. You can use this formula, root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, and in case scalene triangle is there, you can use this formula. Clear? For scalene triangle, this normal triangle is there. If base and height is there, you can use this. If suppose the right angle triangle is there, suppose this hypotenuse, you have to find out base and perpendicular is there. Okay, sometime hypotenuse is given, base is not given, perpendicular is given. You can use Pythagoras theorem. Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. With this formula you can find out any of the side. Then you can find out the area of this triangle, right angle triangle, half of base into height or perpendicular. Thank you.